Hey guys, welcome to yet another unboxing of yet another network infrastructure product. This is also from Ubiquiti Networks and part of the sub-brand called UniFi. On the front, we just see a lot of decal and basically the logo and the icon of the device. So we'll flip it around to get to the meat of the information. You can see this device is called the UniFi AP AC Pro. So let's open the device up. It has a little tab at the top which allows you to easily open the unit up. And there's a little bit of foam on the inside. We'll get rid of that. Over here we have the power over Ethernet adapter, as well as it takes in the power. You keep that aside. Here's the access point itself. We'll get to that later. A little bit of information regarding the device, as well as UniFi Nano HD, which is another product of theirs. Might as well get some free marketing done. This is the ceiling mount kit, or rather mounting bracket, whatever you wish to call it. And we have some additional foam. Wait. We forgot a bunch of screws. And something else over here seems to be empty packaging. We have the Indian plug, a little bit of more foam, even more foam, and cardboard. What else? We'll just empty the damn thing. Okay, that's it. We're empty. So let's take a look inside. So you have the contents of the box itself. You have the PoE power adapter. So this is where you stick your power cable in, and on the other side you have your LAN cable as well as your PoE output. And plus this thing is sort of an outdoor unit, or rather, so you have a mount for this in case you want to fix this onto a wall. You don't want this dangling around. In the center we have our access point. It has a similar dome shape that most UniFi devices are known for. At the top, you have a slight separation, and you'll have all the LEDs for indicating the status of the network. These things tend to switch from amber, green, blue, white, and I believe those are just the ones. And on the bottom, you can see the usual set of information regarding the device, as well as a little QR code with a MAC address encoded into it. That makes it very easy to sort of identify this device using the mobile app and then add it onto your network infrastructure without fuss. The UniFi AP AC Pro is sort of an indoor-outdoor unit, so you can take a look at some of the design decisions that UniFi has made in order to make this more suitable for an outdoor environment. You can see there's a bit of channeling done, and you can see the plastic tab that sort of prevents, let's say, if this were in a rainy environment, and water from seeping into the sensitive portions of the device, which is also why you have the ports at the bottom and not towards the top or to the sides. Now, if you were to install this outside, then first you would connect the ports to the device. Ideally, you would want to use the PoE option, and then you don't have an option actually. And then you'd cut off this section of the rubber sealer, place it back in, and this will be mounted onto a wall. And then you have a little arrow that tells you that you have to align it to this particular tab on the device. You place it and rotate it into place. So on the outside, it's going to look plain and simple with the Ubiquiti logo pointing straight upwards. That's it for the unboxing of the UniFi AP AC Pro. Thank you for watching this video.